Each lip. So, same thing as kanina, super color ng actual lip liner at saka yung, what the, wait. How do I say that? Asking you guys what shade should I do a first term. Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another first impression review for you guys. Look at what I have in here. Just wait. Look it! I have 12 shades of the True Lips lip liner pencil. This is from the brand Menow. I got these from Prettyangelshoppe. I will leave the link down below. Each lip liner cost only 40 pesos, as in 40 pesos lang. But if you get all these 12 shades, you will pay only 350. So how much each that would be? Let me take my calculator because I suck at math. 29.166, so 29.17 each if you get 12 shades. If you are looking for a lip liner, if you are looking for 12 lip liners, go ahead and check Prettyangelshoppe. Today's video is going to be just the first impression review of only one shade. We'll see how the lip liner will perform. I will be doing a swatches video, of course. I will film that as soon as possible and upload it as soon as possible for you guys. So I posted on Facebook and Instagram asking you guys what shade should I review, and most of you said number 55. This is the darkest shade and I have it on my lips right now, and I know it doesn't look like what you see on the packaging at all. It's obviously a deep red color on my lips, and here it's like a deep brown color. It is just this color though. I swatched all these on the back of my hand, and the other shades naman, pretty similar naman yung color ng actual lip liner sa what you see on the packaging. So, itong shade lang na to talaga. It came in this box right here. Nandito yung claims niya. Sabi dito, True Lips Lip Liner Pencil, just one line that will completely change your expression. Provides exceptional lip makeup results, gives a steady stroke to develop neatly outlined lips. Waterproof, multivitamin, and enriched with aloe vera. Bongga yan. Totoo naman yung sinasabi niya, gives a steady stroke to develop neatly outlined lips. Siguro makukuha mo naman yan sa lahat ng lip liner, diba? Ma-outline mo naman talaga ng maayos yung lips mo because it's like pencil, you know? It's different from like the actual bullet na malaki. On the packaging, it's definitely a hit and miss. Yung ibang lip liners, mabilis matanggal yung lid nila like this, as in madali siyang matanggal, parang wala siyang lock mechanism talaga, may ganon. So kailangan mong maging careful, kailangan mo siyang i-end there kasi may tendency na natatanggal talaga yung takip easily. Pero yung iba, okay naman, super tight naman yung iba. Okay, without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on the lips. Again, wala akong lip balm, but I do apply lip balm every night before I go to bed. Lagi ko yung sinasabi. Okay, so ilalagay ko na siya sa lips ko. Wow, bonggang, super pigmented naman ito, guys. Look at that. Okay, so that's what the shade looks like on the lips. Again, really different from what you see on the packaging. Yung pinakaunang napansin ko, guys, pag-apply ko is very pigmented ng pencil niya, as in sobrang pigmented talaga. It took me longer to apply than a regular lipstick because obviously I'm working with like a way smaller product than like, you know, the actual bullet of the lipstick. It's a really nice deep red color. It has a true matte finish, you guys, which I really like. Well, it's a lip liner, and most lip liners do that, right? I can't say it's 100% lightweight, but it's definitely on the lightweight side. Hindi siya heavy sa lips at all. Yeah, it's looking great right now. The pigmentation is on point. I didn't have to apply second layer kasi super pigmented na niya. Yeah, I'm really liking this so far. It is now 11:34 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. It is now 3:49 ng hapon. Nag-lunch ako, tapos nag-snack na rin ako, guys. And this is what my lips look like right now. Nakita nyo naman, nag-fade na yung pinaka-inner corner ng lips ko. Sa lower lip lang. Yung upper lip, as in super pinaka-inner corner lang talaga na hindi obvious at all. After ko kumain ng lunch, as in sobrang nag-fade siya, guys. Hindi siya nag-tint sa lips ko. So nakita ko talaga yung natural color ng lip ko sa inner part ng lower lip ko. Ang ginawa ko is prened ko yung lip liner. Ginanon ko siya. And na-spread ko naman siya. After ng lunch, kumain ako ng snack. I just had crackers. And ito na yung itsura niya. I will try and spread it again and we'll see if mas-spread ko siya this time. Hindi na masyado. If you look closely, makikita mo pa rin na nag-fade na ng konti yung inner part after I spread it. So, with this lip liner, kailangan mo mag-retouch after dalawang kainan, which is not bad at all for me and not bad at all for a 40 pesos lip liner, right? So, I will just go ahead and retouch. Kailangan ko rin kasi talaga mag-retouch because I will film a haul later on. Okay, so katapos ka na mag-retouch, pag re-apply is same thing lang sa kanina. Hindi pa rin siya drying sa lips ko at all. Mas nagustuhan ko siya compared sa Menow na Kiss Proof na tinry ko kasi yun, nagka-crack-crack yung lip product sa lips ko. This one did not do that at all. And nas-spread ko siya ng konti lang, pero okay pa rin. Yeah, I'm really liking it so far. I'll get back to you guys later for my final update. It is now 8:18 ng gabi. Katatapos ko lang mag-dinner, tapos nag-snack din ako ulit kanina. So, dalawang kainan na ang pinagdaanan nitong lips na to. And this is what my lips looks like right now. So, same thing as kanina, super konti lang na nag-fade yung inner corner ng upper lip ko. Sa lower lip, nag-fade na. Medyo obvious siya. Hindi naman as in super obvious, pero compared sa upper lip, mas obvious yung fading sa lower lip. Try natin na i-spread siya. We'll see kung mas-spread pa natin siya this time. No, I don't recommend you guys spread it kasi namamalat-malat na yung lips ko. Nakikita ko na. Maybe because 2 layers na yung nilagay natin, tapos sobrang tagal na din ng first layer sa lips ko. So, medyo nag-set na siya. At kapag spread mo, parang, you know, lips touch each other, tapos medyo namamalat-malat ng bongga. Overall, though, I'm really liking this lip liner. Para sa akin, long-lasting naman siya, guys. Dalawang kainan, dun mo makikita yung nag-fade na talaga yung lipstick. After isang kainan, kay Replica, yes, nag-fade siya, pero very inner corner lang. Nasisave mo siya by spreading your lips. Para sa akin, way better siya sa Menow Kiss Proof na ginamit ko. That one, yeah, lipstick siya, but that one is not good at all. Maybe it's just that specific shade, I'm not sure. But with this one, I'm really liking it. Dark shade na nga yung nireview natin pero bonggang-bongga pa rin. This is going to be perfect for those na nagsisimula pa lamang. Walang ganun kalaking budget for lipsticks and gustong magkaroon ng maraming shades. This is a perfect product for you. You will get 12 shades for the price of one lipstick, 350. I cannot wait to do a swatches video for you guys. I will do the swatches video tomorrow and it will be uploaded the day after this video is uploaded. So, bukas may swatches video na. And I know it's gonna be a hit and miss sa ibang shades. Siguro may mga patchy or I'm not sure. Maybe, diba? We'll see. Malalaman natin yan bukas. And yeah, I'm so excited to share that with you guys. And of course, by all means, you can also use this as a lip liner because that's what it's for after all, right? So, if meron kayong mga lipstick na nag-bleed outside the lip line, so you will have a lip liner to help on that. This is going to be perfect. Oh, by the way, the necklace that I'm wearing right now, this really cute heart gold necklace, and the ring that I'm also wearing right now is from Kim's Collections 2015 on Instagram. I will leave her Instagram and Facebook link below. 280 lang ata to. Super mura, stainless, hypoallergenic, yung mga ganun-gana. Check niyo yung Instagram niya for more information. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I'm doing my best to upload videos every day for you guys. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!